So hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream today. And again, I'll be running a couple of videos here, and then I'll turn on my camera. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, don't forget to like as you come in. Very important. Isaac Gaza. Again, thank you for checking into the live stream as always, and again, thank you for the continuing support of the channel. Hey, Section Ice, nice to see you. We've been gone for a couple of days, but again, thank you guys for checking into the live stream. And also supporting the channel. So presently, I'm currently at work right now. So I'm going to run a couple videos here, and then I'm going to turn on my camera while I work away. I just need to get set up here for a couple minutes here. So again, thank you guys for checking into the live stream, and also the continuing support of the channel. And also I'd like to thank you guys also for being there for the support of the channel, as I'm now fully monetized. So again, thank you guys for being there and supporting the channel. So again, this is a little bit of what I do when it comes to the code. And so the code book is not, it's not rocket science. All it takes is practice. Practice makes everything go well when it comes to the code. So these are the rules that are laid out. These are the rules that I normally follow when it comes to doing my electrical. As you can see, there's arc fault protection, there's combination type arc fault circuit interrupter, there's outlet branch circuit type arc fault circuit interrupter. So these are basically the arc fault breakers with the tails that we use to protect the circuit. There's you have here receptacles installed for refrigerator in accordance with rule 26/7722, and it says D. So all you do is you go to the same D right here. You go to 26/722, and then you follow that information. It gives you a letter here D, also gives you an I. So you have to check out that to see what's going on there. Again, it also says at least one branch circuit shall be provided slowly for receptacles installed in the laundry room or in a space where the complete plumbing is installed to accommodate a washing machine. So at least one branch circuit, and that circuit shall be on its own. When it comes to washing machines, you're not supposed to jump off from receptacle to receptacle. So that receptacle, in my videos, you'll see me running my lines, installing my receptacles, hooking it up at the panel, so it's always on its own.
That's what that rule simply states. Then it says at least one branch circuit shall be provided at least one branch circuit shall be provided slowly for receptacles installed in the utility room. So when it comes to the utility rooms, it shall have its own branch circuit, whether it be for the water heater, whatever the case is. That's what that receptacle is for. A lot of times in the older homes, I will see it's hooked up to the lighting circuit. So I always try to, not always, I make sure that when I'm doing a roughing, you will see in my work that any receptacle that I rough in the utility room, it's going to be on its own. Then it goes on to say each receptacle installed in a cupboard, wall, cabinet, or enclosure for the use of a microwave oven in accordance with Rule 26.720 shall be supplied by a branch circuit that does not supply any other circuit. And this circuit shall be considered as forming part of the circuit required under. It gives you the rule. So what you'll do is you'll take that number, you'll go to that rule, and you'll double check it to make sure whatever information they're giving you. And it says a separate branch circuit shall be provided So then it says a separate branch circuit shall be provided to supply power to each central vacuum system. Normally, you have a central vac system, and that's going to have its own circuit. So again, these are rules, like I said, that are given, and these are rules that I normally follow. A panel board shall be installed in every dwelling unit, except for dwelling unit in hotels and motels, / So these are the rules. Like I said, this is just a page of what I'm showing. There's many other rules that that I have here. Let me see if I can.
Continuous support, and also helping with the channel to become fully monetized right now.
So then it goes on to say protection of receptacles by a ground fault interrupter of the Class A type. Tamper resistant receptacles. It has here receptacles exposed to the weather, receptacles for maintenance of equipment located on the rooftop, sump pump receptacles, so on. So again, so these are all rules that are laid out, and these are all rules that we follow in order to in order to pass our inspection. So I'm going to just back out of there for a second, and I'm going to pull up something else here. Let's see right here what we're going to do.
So hello again, and welcome back to the channel. So basically what I'm doing here is, so this is the cold room, we call it. And you have to provide lighting inside this area. And so because it's a cold room, you have to use some kind of better type material. So usually with cold rooms, it's going to be some type of leakage of water, damp area of some sort. And, so this is the box I'm going to be using pretty much. This is the connector we're going to be using, all weatherproof, okay? Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, so it's all weatherproof. And this is what I'm going to be using to provide lighting inside of this area. And so this here is called liquid type. This liquid type we use in wet locations, damp locations. So this is what we will be inside of this area here. Also to jump from light to light. up stating, again, thank you also for checking into the live stream and supporting the channel. Again, reason why I'm doing this is because this gives me problems to get my wiring. So I'm just going to cut and make sure that the wire goes down before I actually install this inside the CD. So again, that's, as I said, this is called liquid type. It's called. And, yes, stay in the video yourself also. And again, thank you for checking into the live stream and supporting the channel as always. So when it comes to working in that locations, there's a code blue for everything I do, everything that I do. So the reason, like I said, that I'm using this type of conduit type is because, again, it's going to be it's a damp location. It's going to give off dampness. So I cannot use normal wire like this on the other side. Anything that's going to affect the way the current flows. So by code, I have to use this type of. I mean, there's many other different types that I can use, but I choose to use this because I've used it in the past, and I've never had any issues with the sector. So I'm not going to break away from what I've done before to try something else. So again, it's very important when it comes to this type of work. If you had the job pass before using this type of material, just stick with it. Unless it's a code rule change, you should be fine. that's the reason why I'm going to be sticking with this kind of concrete. So again, just for all those who are tuned into the live stream, again, don't forget to look at the Life is Free. This would cost you anything. So again, also the reason why we're starting to finish up right now is the homeowner wants to move in, so I have to start to finish off my bad stuff. So I'm going to mute the mic because I'm going to be here for a second. I don't want the noise to get into the mic. So again, what I'm doing is I'm supposed to be taking a measurement, together, all I'm doing is trying to get this up to the top of the ceiling. We have put the box on and can do some temporary lighting here until finish off the rest of the lighting. It's going to be quite a bit of lighting here. It's probably one right here. It's going to be one. Probably going to be 4 lights in this area. Normally when it comes to any type of funding, whatever it is, so we can eyeball your measurements. And when I say eyeball, what I mean is I can basically Farnett, again, thank you for checking into the live stream and showing the support of the channel. So when I say eyeball, what I mean is I can either take my measuring tape and do a measurement, or I can basically just simply run this conduit up and go with my judgment, which is normally pretty dead on. So that's what I'm just going to do. I'm going to run this up and use my judgment instead of using my measuring tape. So again, it's really a bit of noise here for a couple seconds. Yeah, sorry about that. I forgot to turn it off. Yes, Farnett, again, thank you for checking the live stream. Also, thank you for giving the support as I have become fully monetized. So again, bless up yourself, and thank you for the support of the channel. Normally for vet locations, we usually put outside of the home, we usually put the inside of the home, wherever it's going to be an app locations. Normally, we use it for the normally, I would use it for the outside, when it comes to installing the AC units. Normally, we use it on the outside also, as a application. So again, I'm just going to make sure this is just for temporary until I decide to finish the rest of the idea. So I'm going to put a light on here. That way we can have some type of lighting in here for now. So again, just give me a second here. Obviously, everything that I'm going to be using inside of this room is going to be for the vet location area. So this is basically the box that I'm going to be using. It's some weatherproof octagon box. It's called wrap box. It's called, and I'm going to, as you can see, it's got these knockouts here. What you basically do is you can take a screwdriver, open that up, or you can lock your whole stack in place. And then again, this is the type of it's got a seal here, basically to stop the water from seeping. So basically that's how you do this type of connector. No. No. So that right there is we basically grounding the box off. Always very important to make sure that you ground the box off. It's basically the first thing you do when it comes to electrical. And make sure to As you can see, I never cut my wires two wires at a time. It's basically a dead short. Really, so basically that's how I know about for now. Eventually I'm going to strap this box on. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for checking into the live stream and also the continuing support of the channel. So basically what I'm doing is prepping for my switch installation. That's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm going to install my switch so I can turn the So basically what I'm doing is grounding the switch off. Very important to make sure that you ground your box off. Provide a steady connection for the neutral, non-pit tires system together. Sometimes, a lot of times, what happens is once you use that switch, the wire is kind of loose. It's going to affect the lighting. It's going to start to flicker. So also this switch will get a weatherproof cover plate. It's a bubble that we use on the outside to prevent water from getting inside of the latch of the box. So I'm going to power this up and see if it's going to work. So while that's not now, as you can see, the light is on here. So again, that's how I normally do my lighting. Again, let me turn this up here so you guys can see. I have a little bit of a delay, so just bear with me. So this is the ceiling. That's where it's going to be going eventually. So that's normally how I do my lighting. Again, inside of here, what is it? Inside of here, it's a down location. So normally when it's a down location, you have to provide the proper material in the location that is called for. And so again, this type of box here, the trade name is a lab box, we call it. Using in that location. Also, the type of pipe that I've been using is called liquid pipe. Also for the down location, and then you have the and you also have the connector, which is also for the down location. So everything in here is for the down location. Again, I don't want to fail my final inspection, so I've obviously done this on the previous job, and I'm going to continue to do this until otherwise. If there's a change in the code book, then I'll have to use whatever it says inside of the code book. So I'm going to run a couple of videos. As I have to get set up in another area. So I'm going to run a couple of videos for now. It's 4:30. So again, I'm going to run a couple of videos here. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in. Also, again, for supporting the channel. As always, it's a blessing to have you guys show and support the channel. So again, this is the same home I'm working on. So again, I was able to fully monetize while being here on this job. And I still have quite a bit to go here. So everything that I will be doing right now will be all finishing stuff from here on. So that I'm going to finish off the home with when it comes to lighting, fancy lighting, fancy park lights, the whole 9 yards. You'll see it once the job comes to the end or while I'm working here. The finishing stuff. Hello and welcome to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. As you can see, they've already started to install the vapor barrier. They should be drywalling pretty soon. So this is the washroom. I've got a couple pot lights inside the washroom. Also, you're going to see here in this washroom I have one heated floor, some switches for the washroom. I also have a GFI. This is LED mirror and one receptacle for the toilet. We go into this room here. This is just basically a closet with some lights. Okay, also this room here. These are just for door contacts. See, push, start, stop. I have a switch in here. I have one fan, one light. We go into this room. This is the master bedroom. Okay. See my plugs. You can see my plugs on the wall. One fireplace, TV receptacle. Shade windows, cable. This is basically a keypad for each one. This room is just going to be a bar, fridge. He's going to have one other microwave. A couple of receptacles. Switches. Hot lights. TV receptacle. We go into this room. This is going to be a sink. Two lights. One leash wire. This is a sauna. Go into this room. This is the closet. Okay. Couple lights. Two center lights. So this is why you always double check with the guys who are doing the work, because as you can see I have a wire that's buried inside this area here. How do I know that? Because obviously I remember where all my wires are, and as you can see the wire is right here. Okay, this wire is going to be for a steam towel. Okay, this is why it's very important to double check the guys who are going to be finishing. You don't want to run into this problem. And then on this other side here, I have another wire that's buried in here. Okay. As you can see, it's very important to remember where you put your cables. If not, you will have issues once it comes to finishing. Okay. This is also another wire for steam towel. And as you can see here also, they've left my wire up high. I'm not sure why, but this is supposed to be. So hello again, and welcome back to the channel. As my battery is about to die, I realized that the battery is about to die on me here. So again, I want to thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream, and also the continuous support of the channel. Again, I'd like to thank Sasha House for tuning in to the live stream. I also like to thank I'm trying to actually do the live before cuts up. I'd like to thank also Isaac Gaza for checking into the live stream. Also, I'd like to thank Mr. Gaza also for checking in. Stain, thank you for checking into the live stream. And also Frynet, thank you for checking into the live stream. Again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also become a member of the channel by clicking the link, and you can subscribe to the actual channel itself. And again, I will catch you guys on the next live.